In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export transparent image in Affinity Photo. If you've ever exported a graphic and ended up with a solid white box around it, this is for you. Transparency means the empty parts of your image stay see-through, so you can place the file over any background without a visible rectangle. The most common format for this is PNG, which supports an alpha channel for transparency. Before we export, let's make sure your document is actually transparent where you expect it to be. Look at your Layers panel and check whether you have a background layer that's just solid white or colored. If you do, remove it or simply hide it using the visibility icon so it doesn't show in the final image. Now, glance at your canvas. In areas where nothing exists, you should see a checkerboard pattern. That checkerboard isn't part of your artwork, it's just a visual indicator that those pixels are transparent. If you don't see the checkerboard and you want empty areas to be transparent, go to the top menu and choose Document, then Transparent Background. Turning this on tells Affinity Photo that the document's background should be clear instead of filled with a color. Once that's set, confirm that only the layers you want to appear in the final image are visible. Anything visible will be exported. Anything hidden will not. When your canvas looks right, it's time to export. Go to File, then Export. In the Export dialog, click the PNG tab. PNG is the right choice here because it preserves transparency, unlike formats such as JPEG. On the right side of this dialog, choose the area that matches your goal. Whole Document exports the entire canvas, including any empty space as transparent. Selection only exports just what you've selected and keeps any transparency within that selection. Pick the option that best fits your layout. Before you commit, take a moment to make sure there isn't a colored layer sitting underneath your subject that might fill what you intended to be transparent. If a background is visible, it will get baked into the export and you'll lose the see-through effect. When everything looks good, click Export, choose where you want to save your file, and click Save. The resulting PNG will include transparent areas wherever there's no artwork. You'll know it worked if, when you preview the file in a compatible app or place it over a different background, the empty regions remain see-through rather than appearing white. That's it. Your transparent image is ready to use.